गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज। सो आज के वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे कि कल का हमारा व्यू क्या था आज के लिए, और उस हिसाब से हमने अपने डिसीजन को, अपने ट्रेड को कैसे मैनेज किया है। देखो, पहली बात तो ये है कि कल मैं एनालिसिस का जो वीडियो है वो अपलोड नहीं कर पाया ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ब्रेकडाउन, बट आई हैड स्ट्रॉन्ग कन्विक्शन दैट वेन एवर निफ्टी मूव्स इन अ शार्प मोमेंटम, let me take you to this screen. Yeah. So yesterday we had a big sell off, right? Because the global cues were not in favor, right? But whenever Nifty does something like this, it gives you a sharp recovery. Let me give you an example. If you come here, 15-minute chart, yeah, you see we have immediately strong recovery. We have immediately strong recovery, and also we were sitting on an important demand zone, right? So I was carrying a BTST position in Nifty. Let me show you the trade. As you can see, so I had 17,700 C. It was BTST trade. My initial order is sell order. That means I was carrying buy order from the yesterday. Now these are all today's positions, but these are all scalping positions. I'll show you the trade, right? So in this trade, my exposure was 24,000 something, the capital that I used. I closed this position at 49,000 profit, and these are some scalping trades I had taken later on. Okay, but as you can see, Nifty currently is sitting on very important zone, because as per my GAN analysis, this, you can see this red line. This red line was drawn last week. Last week this line was drawn. We have another line. This is time square method of GAN, and we have tomorrow also important day. If today Nifty breaks this level, this resistance level, and closes somewhere around here, 900, tomorrow we can see an important high. It can break 18,000 level tomorrow. Just keep this in mind. ऑलराइट, अगर बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें हम लोग, तो बैंक निफ्टी में मैंने कोई ट्रेड नहीं बनाया है, लेकिन बैंक निफ्टी में वैसे भी अगर हम पैटर्न देखें, इट इज करंटली सिटिंग एट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट pivot level. We have this support zone. It is taking support, and today bank nifty will stay sideways most probably. Alright, and I also had two stocks identified yesterday. One was Bosch. Yeah, Bosch. This is today's trade. Amazing. And we had one more. What was that called? Bosch. Let me just check. I think I have. Yeah, IRCTC. IRCTC. Let's see. IRCTC. These two stocks were identified yesterday. Right. So these are also given a good profit. Alright. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.